Welcome to Breeze. This quick meditation will help you reset and restore your mind and body and boost your mental and physical energy for the rest of the day. Settle your body ready for your meditation, either sitting or lying down. Take a deep breath in, and as you sigh out through your mouth, gently close your eyes and let your body relax into the surface underneath you. As you turn your attention to your meditation, simply acknowledge and accept all the information that continues to come to you through your senses. Our job is not to stop this information, but simply to disengage from it for a while and give the mind and body a break. Begin to gently turn your attention towards your body and sigh out again, letting the weight of your body release even more fully into the surface that's supporting you. Focusing your mind on your breath and your body is going to give your whole system the freedom to reset and restore. Next time you exhale, bring a feeling of softness into your face, especially your mouth and jaw. And now a feeling of warmth and release into your neck and shoulders. Send that softness, warmth and sense of release all the way down your arms as your breath leaves your body. Focus on your inhale with full attention. And as your breath leaves your body, soften your chest and all the way down the front of your torso. And now the back of your torso. Send this release and softness into your hips. Down your thighs and into your knees. And then as you exhale, releasing into your lower legs and feet. Rest here, doing nothing, letting your mind rest by simply keeping your focus on your gentle inhale and smooth, slow exhale. Let go, doing nothing. Letting your body rest by sending feelings of ease and softness through your body every time you exhale. Letting the distractions of your mind fade into the background, being instead with your breath and your body. Let go. And now have a sense of yourself moving through the rest of your day with this ease and comfort in your body and sense of peace in your mind. as you go about your day, carrying this feeling with you. And now take a deep breath in and sigh your exhale right through your whole body. And again, this time feeling your inhale has energy and life force, and letting your sigh send that energy and vitality right through your body. And starting to bring your attention very slowly back to where you are. Feeling a sense of renewed vitality and peace of mind. And just let yourself sit for a moment, fully orienting yourself back to where you are, bringing your attention fully back to your day. Take a moment to acknowledge yourself for taking this time out and giving your body and mind some time and space to reset and restore. Congratulations for making your well-being a priority. And we'd love to help you more here at Breeze, so do subscribe. And we look forward to being with you again soon. Enjoy the rest of your day